Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to our channel, welcome to our channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon to get notified when we come with new videos. We are in Granada, Nicaragua. Central Park is up that way, and we're gonna go for a walk down the walking street. Keep in mind, this is the end of August. This isn't when most of the tourists are in Granada. When you come during tourist season, this place is packed. There's a lot of stuff going on. There's street performers, there's artists and all that stuff. So this is a low season walkthrough of the walking street here. I'm gonna have the name of the street below so you can see what it is. It's the only one that's comes off of the park, so you'll be able to find it easy. Restaurants, bars, all sorts of stuff going on here. There's a hotel, whatever. But yeah, we're gonna go for a walk down here, show you what it's like in the end of August on the walking street in Granada. So as you walk down, there's all sorts of restaurants, bars. Street performers. Yeah, all that stuff. We actually, we met a guy who's from Kamloops. He's talking to Shana right now.
When did you...
I found them. I did. A lot of Canadians live in Nicaragua as well as Costa Rica. So yeah, a lot of places are closed. There's a pizza place. They close on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. It's kind of weird. I think Monday, Tuesday kind of thing. Another bar. Yeah, there's all sorts of tables. They used to be able to walk all the way down, which we're going to walk over this anyway. Hola. ¿Todo bien? Nice. Nice restaurant here. Yeah, they got some really nice mosaic tile work on the ground. Nice colonial hotel here. Yeah, it is really dark. It's not as lit up as like somewhere like Fifth Ave in Playa del Carmen or something like that, but it's really cool. Hola, amigo. ¿Todo bien? They got security on the street too, so you don't have to feel unsafe. Yeah, quite a few restaurants down here. Again, it's not as lively as it would be, say, December, January, February, March. I'll come out and show you the menus to their places. Crappy Spice Girl music playing, so I'm going to talk over it so it doesn't demonetize the video. That kind of happens every once in a while. But yeah, there's all sorts of bars. Monkey. Looks like a little supermarket there as well. But yeah, it's again, bars, restaurants, playing loud music. It's kind of the happening place in the evening. You come down here and hang out. Couple different like grill type restaurants, couple pizza places, there's a wing shop, and a lot of like typical too, like Nicaraguan typical food. Yeah, as you go down too, you'll find it gets a bit quieter. It looks like a you gotta watch for cars and motorbikes. He actually stopped for us. Yeah, it gets a lot quieter down here. Not as much stuff going on. Again, I don't know. We haven't been down this far before. In like the high tourist season, this might all be packed as well. Seems like it would be. Can't see it right now. Can't see it right now, but it's a blue moon, second full moon of August 2023. Can't see it though. It was out earlier when there's no clouds. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It just keeps going. I don't want to chip over any chains here. Such old buildings with like so much history. That's a cool thing about Granada. So much quieter down here. There's no lights on. And I get up here to where there's lights and end the video. There's a school right here as well, so it makes it super quiet. No bars and restaurants. See if I can show you one of these mosaics they have along the street. Wait, they have the chains across. They never used to have that. Oh my god. All right, so yeah, I'll end it here. If you keep following the street, it goes all the way to the lake, and there's statues, and there's I think it's a love sign, like Love Park sign down there, if I remember correctly. And yeah, that's a walk-in street. Again, if you come in December, January, February, March, high season, there's gonna be a lot more going on. Right now it's not, but I wanted to show you guys what to expect when you come to Granada, come to the walking street. And yeah, it's a really cool spot to hang out. Every time we've come here, we've hung out at least 1 or 2 nights in this area. So yeah, that's it. We'll leave the video off there. If you guys like it, please leave a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell icon to get notified when we come with new videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Ciao.